CMI 101 is a class for first-year college students. Students are introduced to what the college has to offer, including its various programs and majors. One of those programs is marine science. So our CMI 101 class merged with Mr. Kendall Romani environmental science class in order to get a taste of what marine science has to offer. We started off with an icebreaker activity, the human knot, where we get to know each other, work as a team, and had to untangle ourselves as a group. Needless to say, some of us had an easier time of it than some others. But at the end, one group finally managed to untangle themselves and came out the winners. Afterwards, the marine science officers and interns spent time explaining what the marine science department does, saw pictures and videos from trips they took to other countries, and learned what it takes to earn a certificate of completion in marine science. We also learned about internship, research, and work-study opportunities.
Internship opportunities for you when you finish. You can actually work with the marine science team here. Some of these guys are on payroll, have work-study opportunities. That's what some of them are doing. So you're doing your MA courses along with marine science courses, and you're working in marine science, and you're on payroll as well. You're being paid for that. So we have those opportunities for you. Now, when you finish, you can work at EPA, you can work at MINRA, you can work at MICS, you can work at Georgia, you can work at the Ministry of Natural Resources and Commerce. So those are just some of the places that you can target. Also, while you are a student here, you can do your internship in some of those organizations as well. I just want you guys to know you have a lot of opportunities if you join marine science.
We then learn about ecosystem, communities of organisms living in a particular space, and their two components, the biotic or living part of an ecosystem and the abiotic or the non-living part of the ecosystem. We learn about mangroves, the importance of coral reefs, forests, seagrass, and the deep sea. We were then asked questions about the presentation, and the winners received cell cards. We then got into groups to collect materials from the environment in order to construct an ecosystem in the form of a terrarium. Our terrarium consisted of sand, plants, rocks, seagrass, and even crabs.
It's a pond. This, we're making a river. It's composed of rocks, sand, I don't know what you call this. These flower things to decorate it with. This is supposed to be a coral reef.
What are these crabs?
Yeah.
And at the end, some of the students gave interviews detailing their experience.
I enjoy going out and picking items from the
I enjoy the game. Human.
I learned a lot. I learned about abiotics, biotics. Abiotics is non-living things. Biotics is living things. I also learned about seagrass. I think that was my favorite presentation. And I'm also obligated to say this, but marine science is the best.
Joseph, what are the 5 ecosystems?
So, first one is pond, river, beach, coral reef, and forest ecosystem.
Name 3 abiotic and 3 biotic components.
3 abiotic, rocks, sand, and wood. And 3 biotic, crab, snails, and plants.
Overall, it was a great experience for us first-year students, and we got a lot out of it. Thank you again to the Marine Science program for making all this possible. Communities of organism.
Sorry. Sorry, I didn't mean to laugh at you.